Hello, Electro Jeweler Jordan here, and today we are going to drill some beach glass that I found on a recent trip. Drilling beach glass is a perfect beginner project for beachcombers and for people that want to learn how to drill gems and crystals. Compared to gems, it's soft and much easier to drill. Additionally, you can use lower cost tools to start with, like this economical 12-volt mini rotary tool that I'll be using today. And speaking of rotary tools, I'm hosting a rotary tool giveaway, the one from this video. In addition to the rotary tool, I will also be using an Electro Jeweler Jordan Deluxe Stone Drilling Set and a bowl of water. Small diamond tools have a need for speed. This is measured in RPM and stands for revolutions per minute. So on the 12-volt mini machine, you are going to adjust the power to the max speed of about 15,000 RPM. If using a different motor, you can just follow this chart. Here is your path to drilling success. Now let's get drilling. Okay, decide where you want to drill. Now wet the piece. With the drill at about half speed and the sea glass in your hand, drill a shallow starter hole at about a 30 to 40 degree angle, or whatever angle you feel most comfortable with. If you start at a 90 degree angle though, chances are you will scratch the piece. Now place the piece in a bowl of water, hold firmly, and with your drill at full speed, insert the bit into the starter hole and drill at a 90 degree angle. Do not wiggle, just drill straight up and down with medium pressure and no need to press hard. And now we're cooking. Every second or so, bring the bit up and down. This lets in the water to cool the bit and flush out debris. At around the halfway point, flip the piece and repeat the steps on the other side. And then drill until the holes meet in the center. If you drill straight through, you may have cracking around the hole. Sometimes the piece will break. Or you may damage the diamond bit.
And we're through.
If you need to, you can make the hole perfectly straight with this in and out motion. That was a center drilled hole, and now for a top drilled hole. The holes are drilled and they measure about 1 mm. Now at this point, you may want to enlarge the hole, and you can do this in a few ways. Some bits have a tapered portion at the end, so if it's a thin piece, just bring the piece to the tapered portion and enlarge the hole. You can also use progressively larger bits, like this 3 mm bit, or use a small bit and enlarge it by moving the bit in a circular motion. When enlarging the hole on thin pieces, I recommend holding it in your hand and drilling from both sides when possible. Thicker pieces you may want to place in the bowl. Always keep it wet, and you may need to use a slower speed to prevent the piece from jamming. Hey, I'm hosting a rotary tool giveaway, the one from this video. Giveaway. Once we reach 10,000 views, 1,000 likes, and 500 comments on this video, a lucky winner will be randomly selected. Just say hi or leave a positive comment below to enter for your chance to win. Good luck, and let the creativity flow. Now that the beach glass pieces are all drilled, time to make them into jewelry. I'll be detailing that in another video. Each piece of glass took me about a minute to drill. But if you're a beginner, don't be discouraged even if it takes you around 10 minutes. You'll get faster in time. Practice makes perfect. Make sure to check out my other videos on gem drilling and electroforming. If you want to support my channel, please check out the links below. And remember, keep on plating and creating.